everyone, my name's Stephanie Palmer. I'm a distributor and a fragrance consultant for FM Group UK. Today I'd like to talk about one of our products that I sell, and that is the Metabolism Coffee, and it comes in this 250g box and it's really easy to use. You can use it in this French press or coffee press as some people call it, and I put one heaped coffee spoon in because I do like my coffee strong, so you can use more or less depending on how you like your coffee. And I just make one regular cup size. I don't make a big cup of it, I make just one normal regular size cup full of it. I have that twice a day. I have one in the morning 20 minutes before my breakfast, and I have one in the evening 20 minutes before my tea. The reason why I use the Metabolism Coffee is because one reason is because I want to lose weight. I do need to lose weight. I haven't lost the weight yet from when I had my youngest son. So when I drink it, I tend to have it for maybe a week at a time because I'm not a big coffee person, I drink tea. So I'll have it for a week at a time, and I tend to lose between 4 and 5 pounds. And I'm not big on exercise. I go out for an evening walk with the dog sometimes. I do the school run, the usual going around the house cleaning. But I do generally have a healthy, balanced diet, which helps with the Metabolism Coffee. The second reason that I use the Metabolism Coffee is because for women, this would be really useful for any woman who wants to try this coffee. At that time of the month, you do get quite bloated and quite sluggish and a lot of sugar cravings, and especially the cramps can be quite painful. I get really painful cramps, and it just relieves all of that. I don't feel bloated, I don't have the sugar cravings, and best of all, I do not have the cramps, which, how painful mine are, is a blessing. So that is a benefit I didn't know it had until I tried it. So I wouldn't say that maybe for every woman, it might not work for every woman, but for me it certainly has. It certainly helps with the bloating especially, and it's been great. Because the worst thing is when you come to that time of the month and you feel horrible and you feel sluggish, and it makes you feel bigger than what you are because of how bloated you are. And as well, it gives you a really good energy boost. I find it gives me a really good energy boost, especially when I drink it first thing in the morning before my breakfast. I get quite a decent energy boost out of it to go around and get all my chores done around the house. And then in the evening, when you've been running around after the kids all day, doing the cooking, the cleaning, the washing, it's just a good energy boost to have before you get them off to bed and you finally have time to yourself. So if you're someone who's considering trying this Metabolism Coffee, it's not just for somebody who's looking to lose weight. If you're somebody who just wants to stay in shape, then this is recommended for you as well. Try it, try the Metabolism Coffee. You can request samples off me, and I'll send you a sample out for free to try. But you don't necessarily need to be losing weight to use the Metabolism Coffee. It can be just to maintain the figure that you've already got. So if you would like to contact me for a sample of this Metabolism Coffee, then you can find me at Stephanie Palmer on Facebook, or like my Facebook page, which is Steph's FM Cosmetics UK. And just message me on either page and let me know that you want a sample with your address, and I'll send you one straight out. Thank you.